Hey, seriously? What's up, man? So you're trying to pair your Meta device with Google Home or Homey. It just doesn't show up. It simply times out, and even worse, it just stops halfway. Right? If you're using UniFi, this might be the reason. Hi, Mike here. I run a smart home business, and for the past few years, I've been using Homey as my main platform. It works with Zigbee, Z-Wave, and now Meta. Right, recently I started exploring Aqara because my current digital lock are getting old. So I like that the U100 and U50 looks like a solid replacement. And I like that they support Meta so that I can bridge them into my Homey setup. So I installed both lock and connected them to Aqara E1 hub as a Meta bridge, hoping to bring them into Homey. And it sounds simple enough, but it didn't work. I tried scanning the QR code, tried pairing through Google Home, and even tried another hub. The same issue happens every time. It just doesn't go through the Meta pairing steps. So at first I thought it was the hub, right? I thought probably the Aqara E1 hub is a lemon hub, right? Maybe a firmware bug, but it turns out the problem is my UniFi network itself. More specifically, UniFi default Wi-Fi setting in the latest firmware has quietly been blocking the one thing that Meta needs the most to work. Long story short, UniFi has started blocking mDNS as a default setting. When a Meta device is in pairing mode, it sends a multicast message over UDP port 5353. It's like the device saying, hey, come on, pair with me, right? I'm around. But somehow UniFi blocks the traffic and your phone or your Meta controller just cannot get the packet. So here's how I fix it using my UniFi, right? You go to a UniFi controller, open the Wi-Fi setting. For me, I choose my IoT SSID, right? So I set my multicast and broadcast control to off. And I set my client device isolation to off. Next, I turn on multicast enhancement, and then I save the settings and pair again. That's it. After making those changes, I restarted the pairing process, and it works. Right, my Aqara U100 and U50 lock appeared on my Google Home, and as well as on my Homey. Right, so it's just something that I stuck for hours, but I just felt ridiculous that actually the culprit is on my UniFi network. Here's the strange thing. Previously, when I was pairing Meta device in my office, my UniFi setup there worked just nice, right? The Meta device just pair. But at home, it failed. So the only difference is that my UniFi network at home is newer. I had a new UniFi Gateway Max and a later version of the UniFi network application. They had quietly sneaked this multicast blocking in default in one of their recent firmware updates. But if you happen to know which version that introduced this, drop me a comment. I'd like to figure out when exactly this change happened. Okay, to deep dive a bit more, if you're a bit more technical, you can actually check out this multicast message using a tool like TCPdump. Right, I basically use on my Ubuntu machine, I type out this command. So before fixing this setting, when I go into Meta pairing, I can't see any of this line. But after I allow mDNS to go through, all these lines were flying in my network. So this was the proof. So this is a short video. If this video helped you overcome your pairing issues of Meta devices, give it a like. And if you're still stuck, leave a comment. I'm happy to help if I can. I make videos like this from real-world setups, not just theory. So if you're into smart home that actually works in practice, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. This is Mike, signing out.